Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install micro text editor on Rocky Linux 8.6. A micro text editor is a cross-platform terminal based text editor that can be used with Linux and on all other platforms including Windows and Mac OS that comes as a single and without dependency. As well as being an easy to use text editor, it also doubles as a normal terminal.
First, I'm going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I'm going to download the micro text editor by using wget command. The download is completed. Now I'm going to extract the tar file of micro editor. Now change the micro directory. Now I'm going to run the micro editor. By this, the installation of micro editor on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.